Nueva Ecija farmers are getting a boost ahead of harvest season as palay prices rise, easing long-standing concerns over low farm gate earnings. Mobile journalist Daniel Dayaw reports.
Nueva Ecija farmers are welcoming fairer palay prices ahead of harvest season, giving them relief after years of low farm gate returns.
Masaya kaming magsasaka dahil hindi kami mababaon sa utang. Magkakaroon kami ng konting puhunan para sa susunod na pagsasaka.
As of this week, fresh palay in Nueva Ecija is priced at 17 pesos per kilo, while dry palay ranges from 20 to 25 pesos per kilo. For many farmers, the current rate offers hope but not without caution, recalling seasons when traders offered significantly lower prices.
Nung nakaraan, bagsak presyo tayo. Naglaro lang siya sa 8 hanggang 12 pesos ang per kilo ng palay. Yung manupulya pa rin ng mga trader Sila pa rin yung humawak nung naging presyo natin. Sana, wag siyang bababa. Kasi ang kadalasan nangyayari, pagka parating na ang anihan, sa kanila sasabayan ng pagbaba ng presyo. Sana wag na mangyari sa ngayon.
Meanwhile, National Food Authority Administrator Larry Lacson said current farm gate prices in Region 3 reflect stronger market conditions.
Yung pagtaas ng price ng palay, hindi nga NFA yun, no? Yung mga traders na mismo, yun na talaga yung actual na bili.
Yes.
ng mga traders. So I don't think nababarat sila. Masyadong mataas ang presyo ng palay.
The NFA, however, continues to buy palay at 17 pesos per kilo for fresh and 21 pesos per kilo for dry, with procurement primarily focused on small-scale farmers. The agency buys up to 100 sacks per farmer and up to 120 sacks for agri-puhunan and pangtawid beneficiaries. Procurement continues nationwide, subject to warehouse capacity.
We're buying simultaneously nationwide. Walang preference. Basta't hanggat merong mabibili at merong bodega na paglalagyan, dire-diretso lang. That's what we want. Yung kumita ang magsasaka para tuloy-tuloy silang magsaka. At hindi mamatay yung industriya ng palay. We have to keep them earning so that they will continue planting.
In a message to One News, Department of Agriculture spokesperson Arnel de Mesa acknowledged that higher farm gate prices may influence rice retail prices. However, the agency noted that global market movements also play a major role. The DA spokesperson added that government interventions including strengthened NFA procurement and programs such as Kadiwa ng Pangulo aim to keep rice accessible to consumers. With harvest season underway, farmers say what matters most is fair and sustained pricing.
25 pesos tuyo ng palay. Pero yung 20 pesos sa press na palay, maganda na yun. Talagang may kita ng farmer doon. Pero kung kaya pang itaas ng ating pamahalaan, mas lalong maganda.
Kapatid Mobile Journal, Daniel Dayaw, we are One News.